Precision Technology Co., Limited, is a premier provider of high-precision components located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. As a comprehensive manufacturing partner, we integrate research and development, design, production, sales, and customer service to deliver, with cutting-edge technology, unparalleled precision solutions across global markets. Fukuno has implemented an advanced flexible manufacturing system (FMS) and manufacturing execution systems. This combination of smart automation and digital transparency enables full process traceability, meeting the complex machining needs of our clients with efficiency and precision. Our fleet includes over 100 top-of-the-line CNC machines from brands like FANUC and DMG, ensuring consistent quality and accuracy across high-complexity projects. Since our inception, Fukuno has been the trusted partner for more than 300 renowned enterprises worldwide. Our rigorous quality control aligns with ISO 9001 standards, with zero defects as our ultimate quality target. Every product undergoes stringent inspection, both on and off the production line, conducted by a dedicated team of experienced quality inspectors to ensure each detail meets exacting standards. Our technical team, comprising of 35 skilled engineers, is highly responsive to client needs and capable of providing tailored machining solutions. Our diverse product offerings include precision hardware parts and fixtures that serve sectors such as aerospace, automotive, medical, semiconductors, and automation, optoelectronic communication, with digital control throughout the order-to-shipment process. We deliver on our promise of competitive pricing, superior quality, and fast turnaround times. At Fukuno, we are dedicated to providing a full spectrum of services that prioritize customer satisfaction. Our complete service system is designed to support you every step of the way, making us a trusted and effective partner for your precision manufacturing needs.